Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting and detailed look at the 2025 London Moto Show, one of the biggest motorcycle events of the year. Whether you're a passionate rider, a tech enthusiast, or someone who just loves the thrill of two wheels, this show has something for everyone. The 2025 London Moto Show featured some of the most cutting-edge motorcycles, concepts, and technology from top manufacturers around the world. From electric innovations to high-performance superbikes, this year's event set new benchmarks in the motorcycle industry. Starting with electric motorcycles, it was clear that the future of two-wheeled transport is heading towards sustainability. Major brands like Harley-Davidson, Zero Motorcycles, and Ducati showcased their latest electric models. Harley-Davidson's Livewire division unveiled a new high-performance electric sport bike, boasting improved battery life, faster charging, and a sleek aerodynamic design. Zero Motorcycles introduced an upgraded version of their popular SRF, now with extended range and AI-powered ride customization. Ducati also surprised fans with a prototype electric superbike that could rival traditional petrol-powered machines in both performance and style. For fans of high-performance bikes, the show didn't disappoint. Kawasaki launched the next-generation Ninja H2R, featuring an upgraded supercharged engine, lighter materials, and improved aerodynamics for unmatched speed and agility. Yamaha unveiled the latest YZF R1, packed with MotoGP-inspired technology, advanced electronics, and a refined chassis for superior handling. BMW Motorrad impressed the crowd with their all-new S1000RR, now equipped with an intelligent ride assist system that enhances stability and control at high speeds. Adventure and touring motorcycles were also a major highlight. Honda presented the new Africa Twin, designed for extreme off-road capabilities with an advanced suspension system and enhanced rider comfort. Triumph introduced a brand new Tiger 1200, featuring a powerful engine, state-of-the-art rider aids, and a redesigned lightweight frame. BMW's R1300GS made waves with its futuristic technology, including adaptive ride height adjustment and an innovative navigation system integrated directly into the dash. Custom and concept motorcycles added an artistic touch to the show. Renowned custom builders showcased unique, handcrafted bikes with bold designs and cutting-edge engineering. One of the standout concepts came from KTM, unveiling a futuristic naked bike with self-balancing technology and AI-powered traction control. Indian Motorcycle revealed a retro-modern cruiser with classic styling, modern tech, and an all-new hybrid engine system. Safety and technology also played a significant role this year. Multiple manufacturers highlighted advancements in rider assist technology, including collision detection systems, adaptive cruise control, and helmet-integrated HUD displays. Smart helmets with built-in cameras, voice command features, and augmented reality interfaces were on display, pushing the boundaries of rider safety and convenience. The 2025 London Moto Show was more than just about motorcycles, it was a complete experience. Live stunt shows thrilled the audience with gravity-defying tricks, high-speed maneuvers, and breathtaking performances from world-class riders. Test rides allowed visitors to experience the latest models firsthand, from electric commuters to high-performance superbikes. Industry experts held panel discussions on the future of motorcycling, covering topics such as sustainable fuel alternatives, AI-driven riding assistance, and the evolving legal landscape of electric two-wheelers. One of the most talked-about sections of the event was the Classic Motorcycle Exhibition. Vintage bike lovers got the chance to see rare, fully restored classics from brands like Norton, BSA, and Royal Enfield. The nostalgia mixed with modern appreciation made it a perfect blend of past and future. Merchandise and gear also had a massive presence. Top brands displayed the latest in riding gear, from high-tech armored suits with built-in airbag systems to stylish yet protective casual wear for everyday riders. The latest helmet innovations, featuring noise-canceling technology and integrated cameras, attracted significant attention from both professionals and casual riders. For those interested in motorcycle customization, the show offered a deep dive into aftermarket parts and accessories. From performance-enhancing exhaust systems to aesthetic modifications like custom lighting and carbon fiber bodywork, the possibilities for personalizing a bike seemed endless. As the event came to a close, it was clear that the motorcycle industry is evolving at an incredible pace. With electric bikes gaining more traction, high-performance machines pushing new limits, and technology making rides safer and more interactive, the future of motorcycling looks brighter than ever. That's a wrap for our coverage of the 2025 London Moto Show. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments which bike or innovation impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.